I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silicone mix on a synthetic wig. First, gather your supplies. Silicone mix, a wide tooth comb, and a basin of cool water. Before applying any product, gently detangle your wig from the ends up to the roots. This crucial step prevents further tangling and damage once the wig gets wet. Make sure it's completely free of knots for the best results. Next, submerge your synthetic wig into a basin of cool water for about 5 minutes. This helps to hydrate the fibers and prepare them for the treatment. After soaking, apply a generous amount of silicone mix to the wet wig, ensuring even distribution. Gently work the product through all the hair strands with your fingers, focusing on any dry or tangled areas. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the silicone mix has had time to work its magic, rinse the wig thoroughly under cool running water. Continue rinsing until you feel no product residue and the water runs clear. Gently squeeze out any excess water, being careful not to wring or twist the wig, which can damage the fibers. Finally, lay the wig flat on a clean towel or hang it on a wig stand to air dry completely. Avoid direct heat. After your wig is completely dry, it should feel much softer and look shinier. Gently comb through it again with your wide tooth comb to remove any remaining tangles and restore its natural flow. Now you can style your wig as desired, remembering to avoid high heat tools to preserve the synthetic fibers. For more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed wig.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.